Hey everybody, it's Chad from Colorado Giants. I have my chemistry supplies in front of me as well as the spreader, so you know what that means. It's time to make our dirt soil. Stick around. So I have in front of me all of the things that I need to hopefully bring my soil back into balance. Bringing your soil into balance according to a soil test is somewhat an unobtainable goal. It's really hard to say that. I think I might flash my soil report maybe over here in this corner. Boop, we'll put it right there. It's really hard to take 3/4 of a pound of copper sulfate and mix it across the entire patch in an even form. Some people will mix something like this up in a spray bottle and kind of broadcast it through a spray bottle. I just don't have that kind of time, and I'm supposed to get some rain this evening, although it doesn't look like it right now. It's a beautiful day. Unfortunately, it's a little breezy, so we can't put the plastic on. Maybe later though. I doubt it, because we're probably going to get some rain in the evening time because it's nice and warm, and that sparks up thunder showers. But anyway, so the main things that I know what they're for. I have gypsum. I have about 50 pounds of gypsum, 10 pounds of sulfur, and then this is and that's the other things. There is manganese, copper, zinc, and triple phosphate, as well as some borax. 1 pound of that out of the 4-pound box is going to go in there. So it's really simple. I put it in the spreader, and then I try and broadcast it around as evenly as possible, and that is as simple as it gets. After that, I'm going to bring in the rototiller, and then hopefully we do get a little rain this evening, so that will help kind of percolate all of this stuff into the soil and make it nice and happy, and bring everything into balance. So we'll go ahead and throw over some hyperlapse of me doing that, and that is how you do the soil.